How to enable or disable Zoom keyboard shortcuts on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then tap on Zoom. Next, go down and tap on Keyboard Shortcuts. At the top here, tap on Keyboard Shortcuts. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Once you have turned on keyboard shortcuts, you can customize the shortcut feature such as adjust zoom level, toggle zoom, move zoom window, switch zoom region, and temporarily toggle zoom. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key, swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.